thenerdso.com free computer help desk. Dun dun.
Welcome to thenerdso.com's free computer help desk. I'm your host, Henry Kroll. I might not be a supermodel, but I have 20 years data recovery and computer repair experience, and I know 16 computer languages fluently. I'll be your cyber Sherlock, your digital detective, your internet investigator. Ask me anything, and I'll try to answer your questions free of charge, as many as I can anyway, in between work and school. Well, today I'm with my friend Fernando here, and we're going to go look at some electronics and stuff. This lady had a power outage, and all her electronics are fried, so we're going to go and check those out and see what's wrong with them, maybe give some estimates for the insurance company. It's going to be fun. I'm going to look at these stereos first and try to find out what's wrong with those. Okay. Let's see, we got, take the back off, I guess. Okay, first we're going to see if we got power. Set the voltage here to, I guess 200 volts. AC. It is AC. Okay, we got some voltage. That one's working. No smoke yet. Good, good. That's a positive sign. Looks like this one is just reset. Alright, well that was easy. Well, these are working. Fuse tests out fine here. I just hook these. See, I'm getting a good connection across that. Okay. And I can plug it in, and you know, since we're getting power, and I just checked this outlet, and this outlet's good.
Yeah, I replaced that one.
And we should get some kind of activity up here.
Okay.
So that's dead. And inside, it looks like it's got some irreplaceable components that we'd have to order from the factory. So now we got to get that TV down. That's going to be fun.
Yeah.
It's being guarded.
You got a good guard there.
Well, I turn it on for these guys every day, and they watch, you know. So
But that one was bad, yeah.
So now they haven't had TV for a week. They're really grumpy.
That's a very pretty bird.